Are you tired of doing this? Welcome to the very first edition of Mason's tutorials for cool stuff he did once and might forget later. Today's tip is how to link all of your auto-tune plugins in Pro Tools so one tweak updates all of them. So we're going to put auto-tune on insert C for every track that we want auto-tune. It has to be on the same insert. The next step is you want to select all the tracks that have that insert on it. Command, or you can use Control if you're on a PC. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group them. So to open up the group dialog window, I'm going to hold Command G, or on a PC, use Control G. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it from mix and edit to mix. I'm going to name this AT Pro because it's for the auto tune. I'm going to disable follow globals, and I'm going to go to attributes. I want to check the third insert C. And now all my auto tunes are going to be linked together. If I go to auto tune and I change the key to D minor over here, and then I go over here, it's already set to D minor, baby. Yeah. So if I change the retune speed on this one, it also changed it for this one. And now you can see when I bypass auto-tune, all of them get bypassed and auto-tune is off. AT Pro, the group I just created, is selected. If I click it again, that turns it off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.